Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim 94 OVR Centurions player of Scout Travel Milestone reward in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the Centurions event and then jump into the last chapter of Centurions. This is Find Centurions. All you have to do is play this scout searching. You can challenge yourself in head-to-head versus attack or versus AI to earn a scout points, or you can do scout exchange to earn scout point. You can exchange your player with this point with scout points. After that, you can spend your scout points in this scout travel. You need 50 scout points to move, and after certain laps you can claim these milestone rewards. So this is the last one. I already complete 18 times 18 laps. So guaranteed reward of this milestone is 94 OVR Centurions player. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player, Ander Herrera, Anderson Talisca, Johart, or Yanis Hagi. George Hagi, the father of Yanis Hagi. And let's tap free button here. Tap to open. And we got player with from Spain, central midfielder. We got Ander Herrera. So good luck, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.